Google wants to turn everyone into a vibe coder with this brand new AI tool called Opal. And it's really, really awesome. From simple text prompts from your description, it will create mini AI apps in just few seconds. You can create different workflows, you can edit, and then you can share these apps. And these are super useful. I'll show you some examples. Before we jump into the demo, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this video. All right, so this is their news. To get access, you're gonna just click here at the bottom, and the URL is super simple, opal.withgoogle.com. You can simply go to that URL. It is experimental. It's part of their AI lab, a lot of experiments that Google does. But it's really awesome. When you go to the homepage, Opal, you'll see here some of the apps that I have built. And then if you scroll down, here are different apps that are in the gallery. So blog post writer, business profile, social media post. So if you open this, you will see, and it's a really interesting approach that they are taking. Let me show this to you. So this is the social media post. Basically, it takes your business URL and then it turns that into a social media post. Interesting. If you wanted to build this app, you can just click on Remix and build that. But I'm going to show you how we can build some apps from scratch. And for that, you see I've built some here on the top. To build one from the scratch, click on Create New. And then let's create an app. So I'm going to say build an app that will convert a blog URL into a Facebook post. So what I wanted to do is take a blog article link and then turn that into a Facebook post. By the way, you could also do LinkedIn and Twitter and other type of posts. You can create like multiple social media posts, but oh wow, it is done. Now let's look at this workflow that it designed. It's really, really awesome. So again, the first thing is it takes the user input and then it generates and then it's the output. Super, super simple step. So blog URL is gonna be the user input, and then it's gonna get the blog content. That's actually really interesting. So it's gonna use the get web page function and get the content of the blog, and then it's gonna generate a Facebook post, and then it's gonna display that post for us. Interesting. So literally it took less than, I wanna say 5 seconds to get it all done. It was super fast. So let's actually test. So I'm gonna name it. Let's name it some blog to Facebook posts, so something like that. Let's go grab a blog article link. So I'm gonna go to one of my blogs and we will copy a link of a recent article. Let's do this one. High security logs for healthcare facilities. So I'm gonna copy the URL. Let's go back here. Let's start this because we want to see if it's working or not. And then step number 1, enter the blog post URL, hit go, and then it is working. And you can see here, if I show you, you see how like it's showing it go through different steps of the workflow. That's really awesome. And here you go. Look at this. In just a few seconds, it is done. So idea to apps, and you can see the visual representation. Also, if you go to console, you can see all the steps that it took. If you go on theme, you can design an icon. For example, let's do a random kind of like a theme or icon for your app, for your mini app. So blog to Facebook post, an app that does this, and you can start using it. You can, if you want to share this, click here, and now you can make it public and share it with your team. That's up to you. So in a few seconds, we'll see this is gonna create let me actually go back because I want to show you some of the other apps that I have built. So here are some of the other apps that I've built. Here's the one my command was, I want to convert text into infographic. That's it. That was my prompt or my command. And then you can see here, let's make it bigger. It's gonna take the text, it's gonna generate the infographic post, and then it's gonna generate the infographic image, and then it's gonna display that infographic image. So let's start, and I'm gonna say benefits of power nap. And you can see it come through between different nodes, different workflows, and then it will generate that infographic for you in few seconds. One thing I noticed with image generation, I think they need to improve, but again, from simple rough ideas, text prompts, here you go. And I specifically asked it to use icons and emojis and less text or no text. So that is pretty impressive. Let's see if I can show you another one, YouTube to post. Again, what this does, it takes a YouTube URL, it summarizes the video, and then it creates a social media post for you. You can see all the steps. Again, if you go to console, when you run it, you can see it. And then the theme, you can design any theme that you want. Let's go back and see if our theme is done for, let me refresh this. Blog to post. Looks like since I left and went to check on the other apps, it didn't complete building the theme for this app, blog to Facebook post. But in just a few seconds, it should upload, it should create a logo that we all can see. Just like this one. Oh, that's pretty neat. I could also describe, put a description here and generate. I just randomly had it do it for me, but here's the theme. And then you can start going through it. If you want to see full screen, click on the app, click on the editor to see all the steps, apps. You can start talking and start interacting with your app. So opal.withgoogle.com, a simple way to build mini apps. This is probably the simplest that I've seen. Any questions, let me know before you go. Like and share so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.